Alright, there he is. My man Pasquale. Say hi, Pasquale. He's a little camera shy. We'll warm him up by the end of the day. Alright, today's the day. Got Pasquale in there, he's prepping the floor up, getting it all scraped up, ready for some tile. I'm gonna bring some tile in, get some mud mixed up. There he is. Let's get this floor down.
That's right.
Complicated piece to cut. I never back down from a challenge. Drop it in. Does it fit?
Mm-hmm.
The final puzzle piece?
Yep.
There it is. Woo. Beautiful. My man Pasquale. Killing tile floors since way before I was born, because he's old. It's a new week, Monday. Halloween's over with, and it is freezing out now. Winter is coming right in. So anyway, we got the tile floor laid last week, and everything else before that is in my first two vlogs. So this one's going to be all the finish work that we got to do. We're gonna grout today, get some primer on the walls, get the washer dryer in, get some cabinets in, do base trim, and we're gonna do a nice like coat rack wainscoting on the back wall there. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get this thing rolling. Another day, me and Pasquale
Nothing. You.
getting it done.
That's right. The 18.
The A-team.
Got that, Mike?
Got that, Mike?
I got my layout.